Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to teach you how to clean the carpeting on your staircase using a Rug Doctor carpet cleaning machine. First of all, you're going to choose whatever soap. Only use the Rug Doctor soap in here. Don't use any bleach, any dyes, or anything like that. It's a rental machine and you have to return it. This metal wire right here pops off, and then you kind of lift this little housing up. This is the dirty water tank. So after you're cleaning the carpet, all the dirty and nastiness that comes from the cleaning goes in this, and this is what you either dump down the drain or down the toilet. The clean water goes inside down here. Now you're going to follow the instructions on whatever kind of soap that you buy. Typically it's about a half a cup of cleaner per gallon of hot tap water. So we already pre-mixed that in here, and you go ahead and just pour it into that reservoir. And this holds just a little bit more than a gallon, but I would just use a gallon of water, and you'll see that as you fill it up, it kind of comes up over the top there and over the little filter area. And remember, the clean water goes in the bottom. This is the dirty water tank. And then you put it back inside, place that over the top, click it, plug the unit in, and then there's a button on the top here that says carpet or tool. One of the things you're going to notice on these rental units is there's a master power switch right here, and this power switch needs to be on. The unit won't be on, but it's basically like a breaker that when you plug the unit in, if that's not on, the unit won't work. So just make sure that's on before you go ahead and plug it in. This is the carpet cleaning tool attachment. So you would use this wand that has a trigger on the end of it for cleaning upholstery. You would also use it if you're cleaning stair carpeting as well. All right, so on the end of this, you've got the suction hose here and the water line where the solution is going to go through. And you'll see on the back of the machine, there's kind of corresponding fittings here. This is what's used on the bottom of the machine come up. Now this is just kind of fit inside here. You're going to grab this, and it's a little stiff, but you're going to pull this out so it's disconnected. Then on this fitting here where there's this rubber washer, there's a little retaining ring here that you pull down, and you pull this out of the way. Now, you take the suction tube here and you connect it to this. It's just going to hang there like this. Then this hose piece right here that's going to carry the solution clicks into the top like that. You want to make sure you hear that click, and that when you pull up on it, it's not going to come out. Now, if you really have a lot of stains, you may want to pre-treat it with a pre-treatment cleaner from Rug Doctor first. Follow the instructions there. But then after it's been pre-treated, go ahead and turn the Rug Doctor on and start using the cleaning tool. Remember that there's a switch on it that says carpet and tool. For this demonstration, we're going to be using the tool, so that's the switch we're going to hit. All right, with the cleaning tool attached to the Rug Doctor, this will do a really nice job in cleaning steps. You're going to have to do it by hand. You've got a scrubbing brush right here that's going to help you to scrub out any of that dirt that's in the carpet, the suction here, and the cleaning solution will go on when you pull the trigger, as you just saw I did that. Now I just cleaned a couple of steps right here for the sake of the demonstration, and it's still pretty damp. So what I would do then is go back over it with this wand, just using the suction to pull out as much of that moisture as possible. It's probably going to take a good 24 hours for these steps to dry. But if you use this tool on both the treads and the risers of the carpeting, you'll get it clean. You'll actually prolong the life of the carpeting, and it's going to look so much better. Coming up next, my video on how to clean the upholstery on your chairs using a Rug Doctor carpet cleaning machine.